everything is set and is ready. But we are not satisfied, and we will not get satisfied, because this is a this is a continuous process. This is a continuous process, which I think will not just end. Will not just end like that, without ensuring that certain mechanisms for sustainability have been put in place. Because you can't just do something and say that, okay, it is over, and that's all. The issue of sustainability is very, very much important, and we cannot be able to escape that. But how do we maintain the sustainability? That is a big question. You know, we have everything we need, and how do we sustain it? How do we make sure that the tempo is maintained? These are some of the challenges I believe we're going to have, and that is where the issue of the political will of the government, the civil societies, organizations, the international donors, the non-governmental organizations, all stakeholders, I mean to say, have to put hands on the to see that yes, there is continuity in all these things we have been able to achieve over this short period of time. And we are counting on you. We are really counting on you. As time goes on, we will be sitting down from time to time, iron out issues that are very, very much germane to achieving our mandate generally, and see how you will come in to assist us. On public access to asset declarations, it has been my personal opinion ever since I came here. Personally, as Mohammed, not as chairman, that's my personal opinion that public should have access to asset declarations. But what is important is that their identity needs to be protected for security reasons and so many other reasons. We have had a number of countries that have this online asset declaration, and they have windows for public to view the asset declarations of public officers, but they devise a means of protecting their identities. They devise a means of protecting their identities. We need to start somewhere, of course. We need to start somewhere. Even if it is by at least publishing numbers or figures from particular MDAs, telling the public that in so MDAs we have about 2,000 staff, but only 1,000 staff out of them declared. So I believe a lot of people will be itching to know who are this 1,000, who and who happen to be part of this 1,000 who did not declare. And that is where the trouble will now start. Trying to uncover, to reveal out who are these 1,000 who did not declare. Even as it is now, a lot of civil society organizations, individuals and what have you, have been working assiduously through legal means through judicial channels to see that they get this issue of getting asset declaration forms or information about individuals. This the Code of Conduct Bureau say no, as the law as it is now, you cannot do it. Yes, I know as from the time we came in here, a number of cases were filed, even by some highly placed civil society organizations like SARA.
Yes.
So, and we are still in court with SARA. Just last 2 weeks, I was being informed that we've gotten a judgment at the Court of Appeal against one of the NGOs. So I've had about between 8 and 10 judgments from lower courts, also in favor of Code of Conduct. Because the law is very clear. The Freedom of Information Act is protecting public or personal information within in the custody of public institutions, much more than it allows access to it. So even public documents, there are a lot of also exceptions put across by the Freedom of Information. So it is protecting much more than it is giving access. So, but still, it is just a matter of testing the waters in the court of law. The people always go out there to see what they can be able to achieve. But notwithstanding, sir, we are really interested in seeing that what is to be done is done. But we need to follow the due process. We need to follow the due process in doing the right thing. And we have to protect. We have to protect also the interests of all Nigerians. If I say all Nigerians, justice is a two-way traffic or three-way traffic. The interest of the declarants, the interest of the general public, as well as also the interest of the bureau itself.